Good evening, dear students. Today I will discuss some important questions about trigonometry. Question number 1 is given: if sin a plus b equal to 1 and cos a minus b equal to 1, find the values of a and b. So the solution is: given sin a plus b equal to 1, it implies sin a plus b equal to sin 90 degree. Since the value of sin 90 degree equal to 1, implies a plus b equal to 90 degree. This is equation number 1. Again, cos a minus b equal to 1, it implies cos a minus b equal to cos 0 degree. Since the values of cos 0 degree equal to 1, that is a minus b equal to 0 degree. This is equation number 2. Now adding 1 and 2, we will get a plus b plus a minus b equal to 90 degree plus 0. It implies a plus a twice a, since b cancel. Twice a equal to 90 degree, that is a equal to 90 degree divided by 2, that means 45 degree. Now equation 1 implies a plus b equal to 90 degree. It implies 45 degree plus b equal to 90 degree. That is substituting the values of a as 45 degree in equation 1. 45 degree plus b equal to 90 degree. It implies b equal to 90 degree minus 45 degree. That is b equal to 45 degree. Therefore, the value of a equal to 45 degree and the value of b equal to 45 degree. Question number 2. If sin a plus b equal to 0 degree and cos a minus b equal to 0 degree, find the values of a and b. So the solution is: given sin a plus b equal to 0 degree, it implies sin a plus b equal to sin 0 degree. Since the values of sin 0 degree equal to what? 0. That is a plus b equal to 0 degree. This is equation number 1. Again, cos a minus b equal to 0 degree. It implies cos a minus b equal to cos 90 degree. Since the value of cos 90 degree is 0, that is a minus b equal to 90 degree. This is equation number 2. Now adding equation 1 and 2, 1 plus 2 implies a plus b plus a minus b equal to 0 degree plus 90 degree. Now b cancel because 1 is positive, 1 is negative. That is a plus a equal to 90 degree. Implies twice a equal to 90 degree. Implies a equal to 90 degree divided by 2, that means 45 degree. Now equation 1 implies a plus b equal to 0 degree. Substituting the values of a in equation 1, we get 45 degree plus b equal to 0 degree. Implies b equal to minus 45 degree. Therefore, the value of a is 45 degree and the value of b is minus 45 degree. Question number 3. If cos a plus b equal to half and sin a minus b equal to 1 by root 2, find the values of a and b. So the solution is: given cos a plus b equal to half, it implies cos a plus b equal to cos 60 degree, because the values of cos 60 degree equal to what? Half. That means a plus b equal to 60 degree. This is equation number 1. Again, sin a minus b equal to 1 by root 2 implies sin a minus b equal to sin 45 degree. Since the value of sin 45 degree equal to 1 by root 2, that is a minus b equal to 45 degree. This is equation number 2. Adding equation 1 and 2, a plus b plus a minus b equal to 60 degree plus 45 degree. It implies a plus b plus a minus b equal to 105 degree. Implies twice a equal to 105 degree. Since b and b cancel, implies a equal to 105 degree by 2, that is a equal to 52.5 degree. Equation 1 implies a plus b equal to 60 degree. Now in place of a, substitute the value 52.5 degree. So 52.5 degree plus b equal to 60 degree. That is b equal to 60 degree minus 52.5 degree. Implies b equal to 7.5 degree. Therefore, the value of a is 52.5 degree and the value of b is 7.5